Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use NVIDIA App on Alienware Aurora 16 for games optimization. So you will need to install the NVIDIA App on your laptop, then restart your computer, then just download any game on your PC, install it, go to graphics section in NVIDIA application, then to find the game on your computer, just click this three-dot icon right here, select refresh, and let the NVIDIA app locate the game. Now select the game that you want to optimize, and if this program can optimize the game, then you can either manually change all the graphics values, or you can use Quick Optimizer by right-clicking the game. Or okay, we only don't have the right click option here. We have the optimize all feature that will basically optimize all games on your computer. So it will set the optimized values for your GPU and CPU, but you can also just use this slider. As you can see, each game has this recommended value, and each game will be automatically optimized to this graphical value. So the more you move this dot to the right, the more the game will require from you. So basically, if you want to increase graphical settings, move this slider to the right. It will try to increase graphics gradually, so that you can adapt the game to your own preferences. If you want to set graphics to lower than recommended, you can of course move this slider to the left. This will reduce the graphics settings, but it will also improve your in-game performance. Or if your game is not set to the recommended values, you can simply move the slider to recommended, click update, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.